Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Instant Engineering. So this is for Power Systems 2 Unit 4. So the one of the question he asked recently is, in the external exam, this is very easy. Okay, if you just check this video, it will be useful for you to answer if these kind of questions are asked. Alright, so see, what are the causes of over voltage in transmission lines and explain. Generally in transmission lines and all, over voltage occurs. Okay, so what are those causes? That's what he's asking, right? So main two causes are there why over voltages occur. One is internal cause and the other is external cause. So we'll see in depth what is meant by internal cause and what is meant by external cause. So see, internal cause. Okay, so these are due to some abnormal conditions generated in the circuit itself. So if there is anything change in the circuit, okay, these causes create. That means internally if there is a damage in any part of the circuit, this causes occurred. Okay, these abnormal conditions not only change the system's parameter but also damage the circuit under severe conditions. Obviously, right? These changes in the circuit, they will not only they will change the system parameters, they will damage the whole circuit also. Okay, so basically these occurs mainly due to these four things. Okay, so that is switching surges, insulation failure, arching grounds and resonance. Okay, because of this four we say the system parameters, the abnormal conditions occur due to which the system parameters change. Because of that the circuit also will be damaged. So now we'll see in depth what are these four things for which these abnormal conditions occur. Okay, so what is meant by switching surge? Over voltages produced on a system due to switching operations are known as switching surges. The constant switching on and off of the system will obviously create some over voltage in the system. Okay, so that switching operations because of which over voltage is produced, that is nothing but called as switching surge. Surge is nothing but some increase. Okay, some increase. Here we are talking about voltage, so some increase in the voltage. Okay, next is insulation failure. What is meant by insulation? Over voltages between line and ground or grounding of the conductor in a power system. So insulation is nothing but we are giving some protection, right? So the protection between these, if there is anything error between line and the ground connections, then obviously over voltages occur. Okay, or if there is any grounding in the conductors, if there is grounding means right, grounding occurs. So grounding of the conductor in power systems is nothing but it also creates some over voltages, because that is nothing but called as insulation failure. Next is arching grounds. So it occurs commonly in long transmission lines. See, generally in long transmission lines, high voltages will be transformed from one transmission line to another line, right? So there generally this arching grounds occurs. So voltage produced due to arching grounds are nearly 3 to 4 times the power frequency voltage. So the whatever the voltage it is generally generated. So if there is any voltage if there is any arching ground, the voltage produced because of this arching grounds, that will be 3 to 4 times of the normal what voltage we require. That much more voltage will be produced. Okay, so that is nothing but called as arching grounds. Okay, it occurs in long transmission lines. Next is resonance. So see, when inductive reactance of circuit becomes equal to the capacitive reactance, then resonance takes place. Remember this, we have inductors and capacitors also, right, in a conductor. So there, when the inductive reactance will be equal to the capacitive reactance, then this resonance takes place. I hope this is clear. Switching surge is nothing but because of the switching operations. Insulation failure means between line and ground or grounding of the conductors. Arching grounds means, first point you should remember it, is happens in long transmission lines, and because of this the voltage will be 3 to 4 times than the normal power voltage. Okay, resonance means when inductive reactance of the circuit becomes equal to capacitive reactance. So these all comes under the internal causes. Okay, next we will see the external cause. By the name itself, external means something outside. Okay, so see, these are because mainly due to the lightning. Okay, lightning means during rains and all, we have this thunderstorm lightnings, right? So because of that also, we generally say transformer is gone because of the lightning and all, right? Because of the lightning has struck it or something, we say, right? So that is nothing but that is an external cause. Okay, that is because of the rainfall. So other factors also are indirect lightning strokes, such as lightning discharge takes place near the line, which results in electromagnetically induced over voltages. So these lightning strokes, when they hit, okay, that lightning will discharge will takes place near that line. Suppose this is some transformer lines and all, okay. So these are the lines, okay. So if there is any thunder on the line, okay, the lightning on the energy whatever that is coming, that will be that will hit this line, and because of that electromagnetic over voltage, because from this voltage will be there, right? That voltage and normal the voltage whatever is going over here, this will create over voltage over here, and here it will cause some external fault, external cause of over voltage. Okay, so that's what this means. And also different atmospheric conditions, like during cold, during winter, summers, based on the atmosphere also these external causes are created. Suppose if it's very windy, then also these lines fall, right? Even though there is no lightning, because if it's so windy or anything, then these lines fall. Okay, so that is also one of the external cause. Next, over voltages are produced due to friction. That means because of the atmospheric particles such as, say, like I said, dust, dry snow, if anything happens also, over voltages occur. Next is over voltages due to lightning between the two nearby clouds. If two clouds are there, okay, and these two are hitting, then also see this will have some energy, positive negative. So when these both will hit, automatically some current and voltage will be produced. So that is also nothing but over voltage. Okay, so this is how the external causes are classified. I hope this is clear. When this kind of questions are asked, I want you people to write it very clearly just by remembering this. Don't by heart, just remember what I said in this video, and I hope it will be useful. And if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Please like, share and subscribe. There are a lot more videos about the power systems in the channel. Please check back those videos as well. Thank you.